In this video, let us talk about the open closed principle, which is the second principle of the solid principles, which states that software entities should be open for extension but closed for modification, which means again, add new behavior via extension, not by modifying existing code. Let us look into an example how this can be achieved. How do we extend it rather modify it? So let us go to the workspace. So here I have a compliant version of it and non-compliant. I mean, the one with bad and one with good examples for it. So let us look into the bad example of open closed principle. I mean the example which violates the open closed principle. So if you look into the notification service, here there is a send method which accepts a string of type and a string of message. So if an email, if the type is email, it will make sure that email notification is sent, and if it is an SMS, then it will make sure that SMS alert will be sent. So now comes the scenario where you are asked to implement the functionality to incorporate WhatsApp notification also. So in this case, if this is the class that you hold, then all you need to do is come here and add another else if block here. Then at this point, and then in a similar fashion you have to take another argument for WhatsApp and then do the WhatsApp related functionality. But this clearly violates the open closed principle. I mean, open for extension and closed for modification. So the closed for modification principle is violated if you try to touch this class here. So let us see how we can achieve the functionality of incorporating a WhatsApp notification without altering the existing notification service. So now let's look to the complaint. I mean, if you want to create a compliant solution, this is not the way how you create notification service. I'll walk you through how to do that. So first of all, as there are many kinds of notifications or notifiers, WhatsApp, email, or SMS are coming up, you should create an interface of notifier. So why are we creating? Because there are chances that there could be various notifiers coming up. Right now, we only thought of WhatsApp, but who knows? There could be many other notifiers coming up, right? So I have created a notifier, and notifier does what does it do? It basically does the operation of sending a notification, accepting the notification message. So that's what being written here. And we have implemented three different notifiers that are into our scope. I mean, basically two in the beginning, which are email notification, email notifier, which takes care to send the email notification, and the other one is SMS notifier here. Let us talk about the WhatsApp notifier as an extension part. So till now, this is what we have. So now we create a notification service which has a notify method, and it accepts the notifier interface at the same time. I mean, it accepts an object of the notifier and accept the notification message that needs to be sent, and it will invoke the send method of the particular notifier that is passed in. So here if you look in the notifier argument, the first argument, you can pass in either email notifier, SMS notifier, or maybe the upcoming WhatsApp or whatever notifiers that are implemented by notifier. So as we know that notifier can accept any of its implementations. So that is how it is developed. Let us look into how this can be worked out by looking at the test class. So here, instead of the bad example where we created directly the notification service which is containing all the email, SMS, and all the rest of the things, here we have not created anything of that kind. We have created a notification service, and we have created various notifiers here. In the first line, we have created a notification service, and in the second line, we have an SMS notifier, and we have a WhatsApp notifier, and let's say if you want another notifier also, we can add it. So in the notification service, there is a notify method, and which accepts here. Here is what it accepts: a notifier. It could be anything. You can pass an SMS notifier, you can pass a WhatsApp notifier, and you can pass an email notifier also with some notification message. So this is how, if there is a requirement to incorporate another notifier also, you don't need to change the email notifier or SMS or WhatsApp. All you need to do is from the caller, you just modify what notifier it is. You feed in with appropriate notifier. This helps. I mean, this functionality helps the existing codes I mean, existing code is not being disturbed here. Thereby, the one who is really using the existing code does not have to test whenever you make a change here, does not have to alter their corresponding logic whenever you make a change here. So this is how, by following this principle, you can achieve, I mean, these kind of benefits out of it. So I believe now you understand. I mean, let us again, you can just peep into the other one. So this is holding all these things here, but rather here in the notification service, it's quite straightforward, and the usage is like you can simply pass whatever notifier you want. And even if you add another additional notifier also, you don't need to modify the existing notifier. So this is all about open closed principle. And let us look about the Lisco substitution principle in the upcoming video. Yeah, thanks for watching this video.